Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel Presentation Skills. I am Muhammad. Today I'll be teaching you how to create roller counter in PowerPoint. Without further ado, let us start our tutorial. To create this presentation, we would need to change the background of this slide. We'll go to Insert tab, click on Pictures, and then go to this device. I've already saved a background image for this project. We'll click on this background image and then we'll click on Ctrl X, copy this, and we'll go to background, format background, and click on picture or texture fill, and then click on clipboard. That will insert the background to the slide. Now we need to insert the digits. We'll insert 00 here like this, and we'll change its font to impact. We'll choose this font and we'll increase its size to 96 points. Now we need to choose this shape, go to shape format, align it to center, and then align it to middle. Then we'll change its color. We'll change the color of this font. We'll go to text options and we'll choose gradient fill. And then we need to remove these two gradient stops as they are not required. We just need two stops. We'll choose this one and give it a color purple, and the next one will give it a color dark pink, and then in the direction we'll choose this linear right. Now the font is ready. We need to duplicate this font 30, so we'll zoom it out a bit, and now we'll click on this shape and click on Ctrl D. It will duplicate the digit. We'll drag and drop it here like this, and then keep clicking. Another 29 digits will be required to create this presentation. So we'll click on Ctrl D for another 29 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So this will be sufficient. We'll click on, we'll go up and we'll change the digits to 1, 2, 3 respectively. Just follow my instructions here. You'll be able to create this beautiful presentation. Now that we have replaced all the digits, we need to align them. I'll click on Ctrl A and go to shape format, and then click on align to slide, align center, and then select this align selected objects, and then go back to align option and click on distribute vertically. So this will align all the digits properly. Now we need to select all by clicking on Ctrl A and group them like by clicking on Ctrl G. And now we need to add mask to the slide. We'll go to auto shape gallery. We'll choose this rectangular shape. We'll draw it on the slide like this. Click here, drag and drop it here, like yeah, this much will be sufficient. Remove the outline and then click on this option, slide background fill, and again we need another mask on the above this digit. We'll click here, drag and drop it here like this, and then remove the outline, then click on this option, slide background fill. Now we need to add percentage sign here, so we'll click on the text option, draw a text, this one, and insert the text symbol and increase its font size to 96. Give it the same font as impact and go to text option and apply the same gradient fill. You click on it, it will automatically apply the same gradient fill to the symbol sign. Then just align it like this, and we need to write a percentage here, then another text box, and then type percentage. Choose the text, increase its size to 96 and change the font to impact, then resize it and change its color in the text option. Go to text option and click on gradient fill. It will automatically apply the same font color gradient fill to the percentage as well. Now our basic structure of our presentation is ready. Need to align this, go to shape format, Go to align and align center. It's looking fine. It's fine now. Now we need to create a duplicate copy of this. We'll right click on this and click on duplicate slide, and then we'll go to second slide, go to transition, and we'll choose Morphe here, and then we'll completely zoom out and we'll choose this group, hold the shift key, drag and bring it above just like this until digit 30 is beside this percentage symbol. So our slide is ready now. If you go to the first slide, then go to slideshow, just click once, our roller counter will be ready. You click on the left arrow key, it will go down, and if you click on the right arrow key, it will go up. It looks extremely beautiful. So this is how you create roller counter in PowerPoint. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, share this video with as many friends of yours as possible so that they can also benefit from this presentation. The only reason we have created this channel is to serve you, to share our knowledge with you. So keep learning, keep growing, do take very good care of yourself. By this, I'll be signing off.